Buhari dashes hope of electricity and fuel price hike reversal. The hope of a possible reopening discussion with organized labor or any group on the contentious hike in electricity and fuel tariffs may have been dashed if the declaration by President Muhammadu Buhari yesterday while presenting the 2021 13.8 trillion budget is anything to go by. The unionists recently suspended their planned protest to force price reversal for 2 weeks, but Buhari left no one in doubt yesterday as to what his administration position on the issue is when he declared that the decision was a major plank of government's strategic revenue plan for the next fiscal year. According to him, the deregulation was mopping up revenues to cater to other critical sectors of the economy, while the increased electricity price was addressing the liquidity challenges in the industry. His words, the new petrol pricing has freed up resources that were used for subsidy payments, while the new cost-inflective pricing in the electricity industry is meant to address the liquidity challenges in the sector. He was, however, silent on the implementation plan for the Teachers' Salary Scale Scheme (TSS) announced on Monday during this year's World Teachers' Day celebration in Abuja by the Minister of Education Adamu Adamu. The Guardian had the next day learned that the details were being worked out, but going by feelers, it does seem teachers in the employ of government might wait a little longer to enjoy the legacies. However, a professor of finance and capital markets at the Nasarawa State University, Kefi parameters as realistic, urging the government to avoid expansionary consumption loans. He advised that the current administration should only embark on project-tied borrows. In the meantime, the government is working on making conversion of PMS-powered cars to autogas affordable. Currently, the conversion cost is between 350,000 and 400,000 per vehicle. Minister of State for Petroleum Resources, Timipres Sylvia, who dropped the hint during a conversion exercise in Abuja, observed that gas is cleaner and cheaper. He expressed satisfaction with the process, charging the center to always prioritize the safety of vehicle and user. Thank you for listening to this news. It is clear, no one is a novice of the plan of the Nigerian government while hiking the price of petrol. No one is a novice. Everyone knows the reason why they did what they did. Didn't we just broke out of the pandemic? We just broke out of the pandemic now, so everyone knows why the government inflated the price of petrol and electricity. See, the moment we broke out of the pandemic, the federal government started thinking of a way to you know raise fund and raise the economy back to the stage it used to be, because they know how weak the economy has become since nothing has been able to be plugged into the market, into the reserve, and also into the account. So I'm not surprised. We know that they are trying to generate more income to themselves. Didn't they task the churches as well by introducing Kama? In fact, the federal government, placed everybody in a very tight corner. You understand? They placed everyone in a very tight corner. Just for them to achieve their own aim, which is not okay. Why are you in government? You are in government to satisfy the masses and not to satisfy yourself. Understand? So you doing all of these things, it means that you are not there to save the masses. You are not there for the interest of the masses. You are only there for yourself and for the economy, to please the economy and fail the people. It is not good. It is not good. Okay, now, my viewers, one of the very big problems that we are having in Nigeria is our inability to carry out proper consultation. Our inability to carry out proper consultation. We don't carry out proper consultation. We know the people to consult before making any decision, but we just ignore them out of pride. We Nigerians have so much pride, and we are nothing. And that is why we are still where we are today. That's why we are still where we are today. We've not been able to make move. Tell me, what kind of problem is that? We've not been able to make move. The pride is too much. What is there? Consult professionals. We have the economists here in Nigeria. We have professional economists. Consult them. Let them advise you on the way forward, on what to do before making a move. But we just ignore them. Okay, since we cannot use them, the Americans are using them. Yeah, the Americans are using them well. Many of our economists are professors, they are doctors in international universities. We have them in Malaysia, Russia, Argentina. We have them in America. We have them in London, UK. Mention them. The Americans use them a lot, and that is why today Americans still remain one of the very best country, and one of the country with a very strong economy, and that is why they can debate and decide for a country. Yes. So we don't make use of what we have. We are just too full of ourselves. We have too much pride, and it's killing us gradually, unknown to us. We don't know, and it's very, very bad. Completely bad, totally bad. What is this? What's the problem? Why can't we do the proper consultation and save the country from this mess? Now you are putting your citizen in a very bad corner just for you to succeed in your own interest. Who are you working for? For whose reason did you assume office as a president? You were put there for the interest of the people. So you are there to speak and stand for the people and not for your own interest. And that is what's supposed to be done. That is the problem of this our administration. This administration has failed the masses, has failed the people, in fact, has broken the heart of people. You understand? So let the truth be told, and that is why I keep commending Reno Omokri for coming out strong to speak out. To speak out and let the masses know that, look, this is what we are going through. You understand? This is what we are going through. So, my viewers, I don't know what your own comments concerning all that has just been said may be, but I believe you have a comment to leave behind. Please do well to leave them below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.